Here in this video I will discuss that why some people are fail to take the initiative of their creative ideas and some people execute to them. What is the difference between these two people? That some people are able to take the initiative and execute their creative ideas. Here I will focus on this particular thing. No doubt that confidence is one of them, is the important part to take the initiative or execute anything, but how this confidence comes, that this is very important. So we have to check ourselves that what thought process basically is running in our mind. In general, there are 7 thoughts which are categorized into the negative side. They are not good to increase the strength of the inner. If the inner is strong, no doubt that you will be confident. But if suppose your inner is not strong, that is weak, then it will be difficult to take any initiative in your life. So which are those thoughts? Basically they can damage the inner strength. There are in general 7 thoughts. Number 1 is of the sorrow. Number 2 is of the worry. Worry thoughts can run in your mind in daily routine. Number 3 is of the fear. Fear thoughts can run in your mind. So there are number of basically thoughts associated in a category. So I told you right now 3 category. Number 1 is of the sorrow. Sorrow thoughts can run in your mind. They are not good. They will decrease your energy. Number 3, worry thoughts can come in your mind. And number 4, the category of the thoughts is of pain. Pain further can be described in different way. The pain into the body because you have some wounds. And number 5 is of the anger category of the thoughts. So you might be angry because of some reason and those thoughts are running in your mind. They will also lose your energy and obviously they will reduce the strength of your inner. And then after the doubt. 6th category of the thoughts are related to the doubt. Some confusion, some doubts. So doubt is the 6th category. So I told you that sorrow, number 2 worry, number 3 is fear, number 4 is pain, number 5 is anger, and now I am telling you about the doubt. And the number 7 is of hopeless. Whenever these thoughts come in your mind, you have to identify the category of the thoughts and says to your mind that there is no space of such kind of thoughts in my mind, so I am not accepting to you. You please go away from me because you will reduce my strength. I will accept only the positive thoughts and these thoughts are not valuable, so please go away. So these thoughts actually, these 7 thoughts are of negative side and it will decrease your energy. Now in addition to these 7 thoughts, there are 2 more thoughts which impact is so high. Number 1 is of the guilty and number 2 is of the sexual thoughts. So the thoughts of guilty have so much negative energy and they immediately impacts on you, and because of that you immediately comes into the depression. So never thinks about those thoughts. Guilty thoughts have so much negative energy. And second category of the thoughts is of the sexual thoughts. They have high intensity. Their energy is so high. So whenever those thoughts comes to you, and if you are not aware, that those thoughts can trap you, and you might be out of control to anyone. So remember, in addition to those 7 thoughts, 2 more thoughts are important, which can harm you anytime. And its intensity is so high or so negative side. So always keep aware your mind whenever these 9 thoughts come into your mind, because these 9 thoughts are not favorable to anyone and they can reduce the intensity of the inner means they can reduce the strength of your inner, and because of that you will feel depressed and you cannot take the initiative of any idea which you have. Right, so this is the point. In your daily life you have to observe your thoughts, that which category of the thoughts basically are dominating on you, whether those thoughts are of the sorrow, worry, fear, pain, anger, doubt, or hopeless, or in addition to the those two thoughts which are, one is the at top and second is at the bottom. So guilty thoughts are at the bottom side and those have negative energy. All the negative energy have to the guilty thoughts, and upper side of the negative are of the sexual thoughts. If those thoughts are come in your mind and you are not aware, then it might be you can trap from these thoughts and you will act because of those thoughts. So every time in your daily life you have to check yourself that which thoughts basically are dominating you. Are you able to control to that or not? If not, then you have to make aware every moment of your thought process that this thought is running, this is useful or not useful. Keep only those thoughts or give space only those thoughts which are favorable to you. Why you are losing your energy? Because of the negative thoughts. This is the point. So this is the difference which I think that those people who take the initiative or not able to take the initiative. Who take the initiative, those people basically have a strong inner. They don't waste their energy on the negative thoughts. They always think positive. They give importance to the positive thoughts. So you have to see this point also along with any other points. You have any point related to my thoughts, you can just message me that this is the point, or if you have any doubt you can ask me that, please let me know about it, because I understand this thing and I just feel that I should share about it. Right, thanks.